Here's another short tutorial video. I'm going to show you how to mint your town coin from your treasure chest and put it onto the Ethereum blockchain. So once it's on the Ethereum blockchain, you can then put it in your MetaMask wallet. You can convert it into Ethereum itself or whichever crypto you want, and then convert that to your local fiat currency and so on. But if you're playing the Town Star game on the play to earn, you'll be earning some town coin every day, hopefully. And that will go initially into your treasure chest. So if we click on the town coin that I've earned so far in the play to earn, you can see here we have an option to convert this and put that into the Ethereum blockchain, in other words, to mint it. Let's click on convert and see what the instructions are here. And we can see we're going to convert. I'm going to go for the full amount. There is this warning at the moment, should I do this? As we continue making strides forward, the release of Gala chain, which will provide nearly free transactions throughout the Gala Games ecosystem, we've made some important updates to the inventory system. And basically what they're saying is, look, Gala Games are working on their own Gala chain. So rather than having the expensive Ethereum gas fees, they will have their own Gala chain at some point. We don't know when that is. It's likely to be early 2022, but no specific date because it is software, it's a development, and these things have a habit of being more complicated than they realize. So if you've only got a few town coin, it's probably not worth you paying the gas fee at this point to convert that. But if you've got a substantial amount of town coin, as I have in this case, you can see the gas fee at the moment on this Sunday midday here in the UK is a very reasonable, just $11.65, so 0.00297 Ethereum. So I'm going to convert my town coin, so I click on the convert button. I need my transfer code, so I paste that in and click submit, and that is success. That's now in progress and it's pending, and so once that goes through and gets minted, that will appear back in my inventory in my actual town coin Ethereum section, and it gives me a lot more flexibility. There's a lot more I can do with it once it is there. This is a pending process. Sometimes this can take quite a while. So we can see here I've transferred and it's pending 1 minute ago, but also it says actually just 2 minutes ago I did that for some Gala, and that's saying that's there now. Let's just refresh this page and see if that's the case. It's not yet over from my treasure chest into my Ethereum blockchain there, but just have a little bit of patience on that. Sometimes it can take quite a while. If it takes more than 24 hours, just contact support. Support you'll find if you go back to the home page on Gala Games, scroll to the bottom of the page, and you'll see here is the link which says contact support. So that's how you can contact support if you find it gets stuck. Generally speaking, I've never had any problems, but that's what the advice they give you if your conversion in your inventory from your treasure chest to the Ethereum blockchain gets stuck. Hopefully you found that video useful. Feel free to ask any questions you've got. Subscribe to my channel if you want more tips and ideas for Gala Games and all the different games they're coming up with. Plus, if you want to learn how to make your money work for you, that's what my channel's all about. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you on the next video.